User interface enhancements. There is a fundamental enhancement to the user interface and to the way the dialogues work. Previously, if a dialogue was open, then no other dialogue would be available. Also, no further actions could be executed in the graphics window. For example, the cursor tracking is unavailable. In this version, the new behavior allows multiple dialogues to be open. The user will be able to switch between the dialogues and, more importantly, interact with the graphics window. This, for example, may be to investigate the model further or recover coordinates required to populate a dialogue, as the cursor tracking is now available. Active dialogues are displayed opaque as normal. By default, any inactive dialogues will be displayed as translucent. This can be changed in the options if required. It is now possible to reset the Z minimum or maximum values in the machining passes dialog with a left mouse hit on the selected model. Select the surfaces and constraining boundary. Choose required machining strategy, and after setting the tool, go to the passes page. A left mouse click is required in the Z field that needs setting. Then, on the model, a left mouse hit is required. The current Z cursor value will be entered into the selected field. In most cases, this would probably be from planar surfaces. A rule has been added to the machining passes tool page to help visualize the length of the cutter and holder. These can be switched off in the options if not required. When reviewing a plan, for example using the properties, you no longer need to use the Control and Shift keys to get the extra options. These options are now available as checkboxes on the dialog itself. However, if you use the Control and Shift keys as before, then the options will automatically be set in the dialog. A new rendering style has been added to the graphics toolbar to allow rendering with translucency to be switched on and off in a single button operation. One useful application for this would be when you want to inspect holes in a model prior to drilling. Multiple plans can now be moved within the tree view using the drag and drop function. Select all the plans that need to be moved using the Shift or Control options in the usual way. Then, holding the Shift key down, they can be dragged to their new location in the tree view using the left mouse button. It is now possible to move the toolbars from their default alignment along the top of the NCGCam applications window. The toolbars can be repositioned and allowed to float anywhere in the window, or, alternatively, docked down either side or along the bottom. This allows the user to make better use of the screen space for laptops or wide format screens. The toolbars can be reset using the options in the View Toolbars menu.